Welcome to Galle Fort, a place where history whispers through the ocean breeze. Standing tall for centuries, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a masterpiece of colonial architecture, blending Portuguese, Dutch, and South Asian influences. At its heart, the iconic watchtower. From here, breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean stretch endlessly, while the lively town hums beyond the ancient walls. Look how beautiful these are. When exploring Galle Fort, strolling through its narrow streets, every corner tells a story. Colorful colonial buildings, quaint cafes, vibrant art galleries. And as the sun begins to set, the fort's stone ramparts offer the perfect spot for a golden hour walk. The sky glows, waves shimmer, and time seems to stand still. There are many of these beautiful, quiet places throughout the Galle Fort. This beautiful temple and historical buildings add a unique beauty to Galle Fort. At the edge of the fort stands the Galle Lighthouse, the oldest operating lighthouse in Sri Lanka. Its brilliant white tower contrasts beautifully against the deep blue sea. Just beyond the walls, golden sandy beaches invite you to unwind. Feel the cool ocean water or dive beneath the waves to discover a world of marine life. The beauty of Galle Fort lies in its well-preserved colonial buildings. The Dutch Reformed Church, the Grand Governor's House, even the spice warehouses, all hold echoes of a bygone era. Many of these historic mansions now house boutique hotels and charming cafes, where past and present exist in perfect harmony. Galle Fort is a different world at night. It is decorated with beautiful bulbs everywhere. It is filled with creative creations everywhere. many ice cream shops all over Galle Fort. If you come to Galle Fort, don't forget to enjoy an ice cream. There are many beautiful jewelry stores in Galle Fort. The beautiful traditional masks and statues are very popular among tourists visiting Galle Fort. If you visit Galle Fort, buy a souvenir to remember Galle Fort. Galle Fort is one of the most beautiful places to visit in Sri Lanka. If you come to Galle, don't forget to visit Galle Fort. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.